Set, start his orders, and away they jump out. Perfect line out by all the contestants, with Amazing Winners having won this start. Leads from Born to Do It from the outside draw, clear second. Pixie Girl running 3 deep. Close to the fence is Vijay's Honor between the two. Palisades Park, then comes General Salute being revved up. Another length and a half behind is Ambitious Approach, keeping company on the outside is Shakespeare. King David running 4 deep, followed by Good Confidence. Then on the outside is Symbol of Pride, followed by Chinese Star. Close to the fence, Royal Dynamite. 2.5 lengths behind comes Good Confidence. 3 away is Golden Images, nearly 15 lengths from the leader, which is Amazing Winners, crossing the 600. Leads well by about 3 parts in front of Born to Do It in pursuit as a swing in. Palisades Park close to the fence, Vijay's Honor, then comes General Salute. Running 4 deep is Ambitious Approach, followed by Pixie Girl. On the outside comes King David ridden hard, followed by Shakespeare. Inside the last 300 now, Amazing Winners leading by the 2.5 lengths in front of Vigorously Ridden. On the outside is Ambitious Approach. It tackles the leader and goes surging clear. The race is almost all over, with Ambitious Approach having a commanding lead now, and extending well by about 3.5 lengths in front of the late finisher Royal Dynamite, big followed then by Palisades Park. Amazing Winners, then came Vijay Honor, followed by Born to Do It, then it was King David, Good Confidence, followed by Pixie Girl, then